Alright guys, what's going on? It's vlog street time, it's ecom street time. How's it going? It's been a while. Corey and I are up to some stuff with our biz, with everything. We're trying to change the channel a little bit just so we can kind of pivot and really want to produce good content for you guys and different kind of content, not just like the same crap all the time. So we're gonna try to vlog at least some parts of our day. It's 8 o'clock right now. I just woke up about a couple minutes ago, so we're gonna do a vlog today and just film some of our stuff. And you guys can see I'm bald, so yeah, we're just gonna play around and see what happens today. Just film some stuff in our biz, and that's it. Fuck, that smells good. Let's go. This thing actually makes really fucking good coffee. So this is what we got planned today. I'm gonna reach Corey's house. Yo, this guy's here now. We had a switch of plans. He's coming here now. Look who's here, boys. Holy, someone showed up to the crib.
Howdy, street.
Let's go.
From the street. And some churros.
This guy hasn't been here in a long time.
Some taquitos.
You want taquitos?
Hell yeah.
You wanna work here or downstairs?
Up here. This video is just gonna be basically like Corey, because like he doesn't want to film me. I can't even, like, the mic's on top of our camera, but I can't even see the video, like the screen. Like, isn't that fucked? Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're considering calling Shopify and getting a lower processing fee on our current plan. Typically the only way to actually get a lower processing fee is by upgrading your plan. We want to stay on our current plan and just save a few decimal points on our processing fees, because when you're doing 100K a month, that goes a long way. So I'm gonna try inquiring about our current Shopify payments processing fees and see if there's just any wiggle room there. If you can have a look for me.
I'm sorry, you said Shopify payments processing fees.
Yeah, we currently process all of our orders with you guys on Shopify payments, and we're on the standard Shopify plan where it's 2.9% and 30 cents. And so heading into the holidays, we're just trying to shed as much cost as we can and really just see if we can get anything lower there without having to change our actual plan. Guys, we've literally cut down like so many expenses. This is crazy. Like all these impacts that have been happening to all these big e-commerce brands, it's been so crazy. We've been minimizing so many costs. Like I can't even comprehend how many costs we've. So many costs. Our Google agency just dropped down the cost as well. Yeah, what did we cut, bro? What did we cut? A $500 fee for our shopping feed on Google. We're just ditching that part of it. Yeah, I feel like Corey and I, we don't link enough, and every time we link, too much zoom. Yeah, every time we link, like we just have these sick ass ideas, and we just come together, and everything just works out much better. So, what do you guys think? Should we link more, or should we just keep continuing to go on Zoom? You guys let us know in the comments. All right, guys. So there you have it. That was pretty much our day today. It was pretty productive. We didn't really film a lot of it. Like I think we just need someone to actually film us. I think that's the main concern, because like Corey and I, like we're not taking turns like holding the camera. It's just me like the whole time. I want to be in the video. Someone doesn't want to record me. So maybe we got to get someone to film us. But we're really trying to turn the channel around. Not always make the same kind of content that we're always doing. A little bit of both. Like we want some fun content and some educational content. So, but yeah, this is the lab. You guys haven't been down here in a while because of the renos, but everything's pretty much done now. We're moving upstairs. So, anyways, thank you for watching this video, Corey. Corey's down there. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.